Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are dyeing my hair. I got up this morning, I had a headache, I bleached my hair because my roots were bad, and I thought I was just gonna do peach and orange again. Long story longer, I did not want to do that. So now I'm filming a hair video to figure out how I want to do my hair. My daughter said that she wants me to have pink hair. I would like to have purple tips, but I'm not ready to go full purple because full purple to me is like a fall and winter color. We're still in summer, we're still in August. Pink is definitely a summer color. So I think that's what we're gonna do. Fingers crossed, we're gonna do like a bright UV pink shadow root, pastel bubblegum pink shaft, and then purple ends. We'll see how that goes. I can neither confirm nor deny that these things will actually happen the way they will. So stay tuned. I will tell you, I bleached my roots probably poorly. They're very yellow. With the Salon Care Quick White Powder Lightener, I used the Ion Color Brilliance Volume 30 developer. I probably should have went with Volume 20 because my scalp was quite red after I used the Volume 30. But lately when I've been using the 20, my roots have not been dyeing or bleaching as well. So I went with a 30 volume developer, untoned anything, and I also have not removed any of the like peach pastel from my hair. This bottom part is all just washed out. The only thing that I have dyed are my roots. But I did that off camera because like, who wants to see that? So quickly off camera, I'm going to part my hair and put my gloves on and prepare my dyes so that we can get right into dyeing my hair. So after you get your gloves on and your hair parted and your color ready, you can start, or I'm going to start. I'm going to do the shadow root first, and I'm using the Iro Neon Pink, which is UV reactive, which means it will glow under black lights. It's not gonna like glow in the dark, but if you have black lights, like if you go like black light mini golfing, or if you're in like cosmic bowling or anything like that, your hair should glow. I have used it before. It is kind of cool. But I am just going to put this on my roots, and I'm basically just going to put it on the place where I like just newly bleached, and maybe a little over the old peach, just so I can blend it a little bit better, or have a better blend on it. My only worry with this is that moving forward, the bubblegum pink isn't going to cover the peach all that well, but we will deal with that when we get to it. First, we're just going to focus on doing the roots, and I'm going to do this all over my head first, just so that we can get the roots out of the way. But I think I'm only going to show you the front two sections because it's really hard for me to do the back by myself, and it takes quite a bit of time. And you want to make sure you're being generous, but you also want to make sure that you have enough for your whole head. And what I like to do is I like to take a comb and I like to comb that color through the hair, just because I'll get a better blend. I won't get as harsh of a line, and it just generally distributes the color evenly so that I make sure every strand is saturated. Alright, now I'm going to move on to my second color. I am using the Iro Bubblegum Pink Pastel. I am just using the same brush that I used for the Neon Pink, so that we might have a little bit of mixing. I'm not too worried about it because, again, both of these are pinks, and I really do need this pastel pink to cover up the light pink, like the peachy color in my hair. So that's why I don't mind. If you do mind, then when you're doing this or you're doing your hair, get a new brush. But I'm just lazy and I don't feel like picking one up. So all I'm going to do with this is take sections again, probably chunkier sections, and I'm going to work this from where that hot pink left off all the way closer to the ends, but I want to leave a little bit left so that I can go back in with the purple. And then the last color that we're using is purple. I'm using Arctic Fox Girls Night. I'm just trying to use up the colors that I have from long ago. It got kind of messy with the bubblegum, so we'll see like where this Arctic Fox actually picks up or not. I have used it just once before and it did show up this really pretty vibrant violet. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that that will translate into at least a couple of my strands. We will see. This purple on the ends is either going to turn out really pretty or really not. Okay, so purple is applied. Hopefully that turns out. I'm going to go sit under my hood dryer for like 30-ish minutes. Then I'm going to shampoo and condition this out and then style, and we will see what we came up with. I'm kind of excited. I'm kind of nervous. I'm a little nervous about these purple ends, but I hope it turns out. Fingers crossed. Alright guys, this is the finished hair. Is it the hair we expected? No. Is it the hair we got? Yes. Are we disappointed? No. I actually really like it. So, couple things. I'm living for this like whisper of a purple down at the bottom. Living for it. The bubblegum pink in the middle turned out a lot more peach, and I said that that could happen because there was still a lot of like, sorry, I got hair in my mouth. There was still a lot of like peachy orange on my hair, and I wasn't really confident that the bubblegum was going to be able to cover it up. But I like how the bubblegum and like the orange peachy tones like meshed together and created this like pinky peachy vibe going into the purple. And then the neon pink at the root, it really just kind of simulates a root. I have really dark hair, so sometimes when I go pastel all over, it does tend to look a little funny. But I really think that having like a little just like peak of darkness at the root gives it a little bit more of like a realistic effect to it. Do I wish that maybe the neon pink came down a little bit more? Yes. Am I like disappointed that it doesn't? No. It's very vibrant back here, so like when I put my hair up, I'm sure you'll be able to see it a lot more, but I like it. It does not look good wet. I came out of the shower very concerned. Very concerned because this hair does not look cute wet. But after I dried and styled it, you guys, I kind of like it. Transition into fall, a little pastel fall, if you will. Okay, so I will link the products that I used down in the description box below, so if you are interested in getting this, you know, like unicorny, fairy, pastel-y vibe, you can do that on your own time. You can check all those products out on your own time. If you enjoyed this video or the hair, let me know in the comment section below and give this video a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.